Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching this video from and the time you're gonna see this video. I remember my humble self, the Eichmann. If you're coming across my page for the first time, I would like you to share my videos, like, comment, and follow my page if you're not following me. In case you have been asking yourself, why is it that we Nigerians, we no get trust in the judiciary? Listen very well. E get many reasons wey Nigerians come start this thing wey we dey do, hashtag, and also even bring us some other ways of doing it, all eyes on the judiciary. So that dem go know say we dey watch dem this time around. Because 95% of Nigerians today, 95% of Nigerians no get trust on judiciary. You know why? I would like you to watch this video. I'm coming back. This particular man, this is Olise Agbakoba. This man don practice law 45 years. I no talk for 45 days or 45 months. 45 days. Hear wetin him talk. After listening to him, I'm coming back to say something about what he said. Just to summarize things wey him talk. Just watch the reason why we no get trust on the judiciary. Just watch the video. I'm coming back.
I've lost a bit of confidence in what the courts have been doing lately. I mean, there was a time you could say, oh, on the facts and the law, this is the likely outcome. Today you cannot, because there have been all kinds of silly decisions. The most silly was that concerning the President of the Senate, who, in order to become Nigerian president, rushed off to buy a ticket to be a presidential candidate of the APC. And that meant he did not take part in the senatorials. Lo and behold, he lost. He now ran back after the horse had bolted, clearly to anybody who has any brain, including the justices of the Supreme Court, I might add. And they said no, that the man actually should be the senatorial candidate. That is the most ridiculous decision I've ever heard that the Supreme Court had delivered. So that's why it's difficult. Of course, I don't want to talk about the case of Imo State, where everything was turned upside down. So I don't have the sort of confidence that I used to have in the judiciary. And I've not been surprised if this thing goes one way or the other. I cannot forecast the outcome. I have the legal tools and the factual issues. So if I put it into my computer, I know what answer it will give me. But I'm not part of the panel. So I don't know whether the justices will see it the way I'm seeing it. But I can tell you, from my own perspective as a lawyer of 45 years at the bar, that the answers are glaringly obvious. But as Oliver Wendell Holmes said in the Raleigh School of Jurisprudence, it is the prophecy of what the court does in fact, and nothing more pretentious, that is the law. So if you ask me what will be the outcome of the petition, first of all, I cannot say because it's sub judice. But second of all, I cannot even say because the Supreme Court itself is unpredictable.
Hope you don't hear wetin this man talk. This man is a Sam. He no start his law thing today. Na Sam wey him be for 45 good years, not 45 days, like I just said before. If you be Nigerian and you don't experience all this kind of wuru decision wey these people don take before, after they go come out and tell us say na technicality of the courts or of the law. Now why they take decisions wey they take na because of technicality. You know, sometimes now only them be the learned people wey we get now, others no be learned. Na technicality wey make them to take some decision wey they take. Even you wey be your ordinary person, some these two decisions now wey these people take. If you watch the thing very well, you know say you get comma. How you will tell me say that this kind of people will take this decision and you still want us to trust them without doing all these things we are doing to let them know that we are watching them this time around? these two cases where this man mentioned, in fact, the worst of, in fact, the both cases itself should not even be mentioned in anybody's ear, because the both cases, Imo State own, that one na Jesus. You understand what I dey talk? This is the reason why, in case you don't know why we are still insisting on this, all eyes on the judiciary. Just make it go viral. Anything you are posting, tag it all eyes on the judiciary. If it's possible for you to get your own t-shirt, get it. Because you know say some years ago, we Nigerians, after election, everybody will just go and start his business and just forget about everything. But this time around, we go stay there and see the end of everything. This is the reason why we are coming up with this particular hashtag, and even the things that have been in place because of the silly decision, according to this man, where they don't take before, which we not even understand. Those decisions no be waiting we need this time around. We no need any technicality that will not make you people to consider the constitution and do the right thing any longer. As you are watching this video, try to share it, like it, comment, and follow my page if you are not following me. We move. Peter Obi is coming.